Look at this floor. Do you see how it repeats? That is the magnificence of nature.
Stupid boy! That's laminate flooring with printed pattern and entirely man-made.
What? It's like that because it's man-made,
Yes,
not real wood?
of course.
Well, let me ask. Is man man-made?
No, man is nature-made.
So if nature makes something that makes something, is that thing not also nature-made?
A very interesting point.
And that is why when I want to be in nature, I do it right here. Right here, right here, right here.
The glory of nature! 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 The glory of nature!
Look at this object, flower of man. Look here at this garden, by nature's own hand.